I broke my dryer knob. So this is what it's supposed to look like. And what are the odds that it's gonna take 44 fucking minutes to make? Oh my god, I hope this works.
If this actually works, holy fuck. I am Elon Musk's step bro. I'm so bad at filming.
Okay, my 3D print of a new dryer knob, because mine broke. It's fucking ready. Look at this. If this works, oh my god, I'm a fucking genius. Okay, it's turned on. Let's go. All that's to do is turn right. Okay, moment of truth. Here we go. Oh my god, it fucking works. It works.